Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I have a few items to show you from Ipsy. When you are an Ipsy member, you get a link where you can share it with your friends. And if somebody signs up under you, you get points. And somebody recently signed up under me, and thank you, I got 600 points. And then also right now, if you sign up under anybody right now, they get 1,800 points because they have a special going on. I don't know how long that'll last, and it might even be over with by now, I'm not sure. But what you do with your points is you can buy, quote unquote, buy things. And how you can gain points if nobody signs up under you, because it doesn't really happen. It's happened to me a couple of times, but you can gain points by doing your reviews. So whatever you get, whether you get the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, or I forget what they call the quarterly one, the Luxe. No, I don't think they call it the Luxe. Whatever they call the quarterly one. If you review your products, you get points toward this area where you can shop. And it's just, when you are in there, it says shop and it says points. And there's only 6 or 8 things you can choose from. And I've noticed right now, they just really have a lot of refreshments kinds of things. So anyway, I had some points that and also if they make a mistake with your order, they might give you 600 points or something. So I did cash in a couple of my points. And then I also signed up for another year. I wanted to get that in and done before they've raised their prices, because I believe it's right here in October that they're raising their prices. I think it's still, I get the Glam Bag Plus, and that it might still be $28, but I think if you sign up for a year, you got the shipping for free. Can't remember exactly all the details, but that's what I did. I had already signed up for a year last year, and I was coming up on my renewal, so it was perfect timing for me. So I think I had 1 month left, October, so I signed up again though, and that was at the end of September. So they sent me a free gift, they said, a free gift. Well, a lot of times your free gift is something nice, like a palette or some brushes. They sent me this, y'all. Now, I'm not gonna complain about it. It is a free gift. They have this line called Refreshments. You may have seen it. I've never gotten anything from them before, and I don't want to get anything from them. They have a special area where you can get refreshments, and what you do is when you sign up for these things, then they refill them every so often. And you can choose how often, but they have razor blades and they have some nice things. I'm not saying it's not nice, but I received a hand cream in a giveaway that I won. It was a small hand cream, and it was nice as far as the consistency, but it was so strong, the scent. And sometimes that's okay with me, but sometimes a strong scent can give me a migraine. So I wasn't happy with it. So this they sent as my free gift. And this is the Refreshments brand Velvety Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. And it is 8 ounces. This is a nice big full size, and it's a nice container. It doesn't roll, which I do like that. It's really cute. Their packaging is adorable. It is sealed because I'd like to smell it, but it's sealed in there. There's a thing you'd have to take this off, and yeah, there you go. So I can't smell it, and I'm not going to right now because I have too many body lotions right now going. But this is a nice container too. Closes nice and easy. You can keep that by your bedside or wherever, you know, carry it in your gym bag. I mean, it's nice. But the cream that I had was very strong. So if this is the only way to tell if it's strong is to try it. So I may not try it. You may see that in a future giveaway. But it is, you know, it was free. It was nice. So I also then got a couple of things with my, with some of my points. And how they do that is they send you your items with your next bag. So I had picked these items right before I got my September bag. So it was maybe like a week before I got my September bag, but they probably already had that in production, so to speak. So I didn't get it till my October bag, which is fine. So I, like I said, there's maybe 8-ish things to pick from. And I really want that area to be available for makeup items. You know, makeup and skincare, mostly makeup because that's what I like to get. In there right now is a lot of refreshments items. So there's a deodorant. There is the razor blade set, which I've been told is nice. Anyway, I did get a refreshments item because I thought this was 600 points. So this right here, I cashed in 600 points to get it. The 600 points, you usually are something that's in the $3.50 range. And a lot of times they have this for $3.50, but sometimes they have it for $4. It just, you have to watch your prices in there. But when you're in the points area, you're not where you shop and spend money. That's only where you spend your points. So I got this. I thought this was good for 600 points. There's 30 wipes in here. You know, it's a nice big package. It's super cute packaging. The refreshments packaging, as we saw, is very pretty. There's butterflies on it. It says cleansing face wipes. It doesn't say anything about a scent. And they say that this is valued at $9. Now, I don't buy wipes that are $9. But that's what they say it's valued at. And I do not see anywhere on here a scent. But I thought that was worth 600 points. And then I also got something for 1,200 points. You can cash in that area: 600 points, 1,200 points, 1,800 points. So this was 1,200 points, and this is the a Hip Dot palette that I've already had before. This is valued at $18. This is called the Witchy Warms palette. It's absolutely gorgeous packaging. See that? I've had this palette before, and I put it in a giveaway. It's beautiful. I just have a lot of things, so I put it in a giveaway. So it's gorgeous. This is under that cardboard sleeve, and it's a beautiful palette. And there's let's see, there's a couple of bees on there. There's a snake. There's bunnies. If you can see the gold there, you could see them. Cloud, bee, snake. Okay. And it's called Witchy Warms. And when you open it, there is a mirror on one side. And let me take off the color saver. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I'll keep it because I just have so many browns. Browns are my color, neutrals. I love them. And I use them a lot, but I have a lot. It is gorgeous. It's a beautiful palette. If you can see, there's impressions of things. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they all have an impression of something. There's like wheat in there. There's a daffodil maybe in there. There's the moon or the sun maybe. There's a bunny right here. There's a key over here, some flowers, the moon. You know, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous colors, beautiful neutrals. So I thought if I use it, I use it. If I don't and I put it in the giveaway, it didn't cost me anything. It just took some of my points. So that is what I got from Ipsy. Got this for signing up for the year, and then got these things with my points. Whoops, that's got stuck. This was in a little bubble wrap. So you know, this, I don't know what the value of this is, but knowing Ipsy, it's probably $10 or $15. So, but that's what I got. So thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got with my points and for signing up again. And it was a little disappointing because, like I said, usually when you sign up, they give you a palette or something. So whatever. But thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.